MeghalayaPost.news.
Habakran Haka Sngi Plie Ïaka Ophis Trekam Bapura jongka Umling C&RD block u MLA ke Jirang konsonsi ba sos Nisotun ulapan sa Kawei ke C&RD block namanta ki ba jongka Jirang konsonsi man penjan ke jing sakri ba ke jing Trekam jongki skim sarkar bo per ki ba ulang ru bang sutu syai ba thong jong menteri ramba kalong man penjan ke jing sakri jongka sarkar ki ba kumta hakmat ispa angut kinong ilam snong ba kum juru ki MLA ke Riboy district ulapan sa Kawei ke C&RD block ba nak pen susu ya kinong ilam snong ba ki ba Haka Sngi de ba sarkar
Pak baru kibahaba po jong gani ka office jong video Umling block haka ba sibun ba ki jingmintoy ke baling ba ka sarkar kelala banwarra kelala ban pinpoy nagamanta ka jingran kam ka jong pi ni sokmen ya ka jingi ijmai jong ka sarkar haka jingi lam jong sarkar ki sama upadon ya kata ka jing thang ban ka jing anglut ban kentiu ya ka dong bat ka than bat ya ka ri hibo ya ka jella hibo Kawei. And so one request as the MLA of Jirang, I'll make one request in front of our dignitaries here. We have our 4 MLAs together here, and I would like to request, and I'll be the happiest person if you can, because I know your mission is to bring out the administration closer to the people. So I'll be very happy if you can create one more block for Jirang constituency. Umling block, we have only 4 circles which falls under Jirang constituency, but with huge population. So I would like to request, sir, in front of all the people, we have the people from my constituency also present here, and we are requesting to you and from the Honourable Minister, and we hope that you will be creating one more block for Jirang constituency. So with only these few words, we will keep on praying for our great leaders, for our Honourable Chief Minister, our ministers, and the government and all the officers. Kupleshibun P. Baro, thank you so much, sir, and we are expecting that, and we are hoping that our state will shine from one day to another.
We are examining the need for new blocks in different areas, and definitely for Umden area and for Jirang area also. I don't know which particular section Honorable MLA would like the blocks to be in, but we will definitely positively examine the possibility of this. But as I said, I'll stop short of a commitment right now, because we will look at all the financial requirements, and then only we will decide to move forward.
MeghalayaPost.news.